Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jess, and in today's video I have the newer Colourpop collaboration with BeckyG, I believe her name is. I don't really get to watch much YouTube anymore, so I wasn't familiar with her, but she is stunning. Speaking of stunning, this packaging is literally insanely gorgeous. I'm going to show you the back of the lip set. I love that so much. As soon as I saw this, I was like, I really want like sheets with this on. I mean, Alex might not like it, but I like it. Before I even get in this video, I'm so sorry. My nose is constantly running, so if there's a lot of jump cuts, especially in the lip swatching part, it's because I'm sneezing or blowing my nose, and it's just ruining my makeup each time, and I have to fix it up. So there's that. It's sniffle season. What do you want from me? So I did get the eye and lip set, which I thought was really cool. I haven't gotten a collaboration with Colourpop in a while, but I didn't know that they were doing those eye and lip sets, and they had a couple different sets. They had just like the lip bundle, they had the full PR kit, which I thought was really cool. I thought all of the other stuff included in the kit looked really awesome, but I just mainly wanted to use these guys, and because it is Christmas, I'm trying to limit my spending on myself. But this was altogether $47, which I think is an awesome deal. I was really excited for this collaboration because it's just the warm tones and everything I really love. I love when they throw a pop of blue in there. But I will say the eyeshadow kit is nothing I feel like we haven't seen before. And my number one complaint about Colourpop right now is I'm just so tired of them releasing so much. This just came out. Couldn't even be 2 weeks ago, short of 2 weeks, and I had to scroll all the way down their new arrivals page to find this. Like, there's so much that's come out since then. It's annoying to me, and I love when makeup companies are coming out with something that's a new video, but I can't even imagine, like, just as a consumer as well, I was like, wait, you just, like, wait. Now, as I said before, it's been a long time since I've gotten a collaboration with them, so I think that the quality in their eyeshadows has definitely gone up. I love the quality of these eyeshadows. They were so pigmented and blended so well. The shimmers were incredible. I used this palette all week. I am limited to when I can film nowadays, so I'm only able to film on Mondays, and this came, I believe, on Tuesday of last week. So I'm trying to make the best of it. I used to love to get something, film with it, and edit it the same night and put it up. It's just not realistic for my current lifestyle. So I'm trying to make the best of it and thinking I can use this all week to give you guys a really good idea of how these products work. So I have been mainly wearing this matte with the brown in the corner and this guy all over, and I also wear this by itself many days. I used this color with this color as an eyeliner the other day when I was wearing a cute little maroon shirt, and then obviously today I used this shimmer, these two mattes, this shimmer, and this shimmer. So I tried to come up with a look that would use the most possible. I know there's a lot of wearable colors in here, but if you guys thought that I was gonna come out with just like a copper look, you're wrong. I do feel like I have used the blues in all of my palettes way too much, but I can't help it. I love it when they throw a blue in there, and I love this teal color, and I loved the shimmer that I used and just decided to mix it in. I did another look with this completely different when I tried to film it earlier, and that look I didn't really like, so I washed it off and did this one. But very wearable colors, perfect for the season, and I really liked it. Because I am doing the lip swatching, I didn't want to do a full eye tutorial, so this is not going to be beginner style, but I will tell you guys kind of how I got this look and show you clips as I did it. Here we go. I started off by obviously using some concealer to clean up underneath of my brows, and then I used my Gorgeous Cosmetics eye base, and I put that on all over my lid and kind of mixed the two. Then I took off a lot of that product because I didn't want it to like crease on my eyelids or anything. And then I mixed Luna, which is this matte cream shade, with Caramello, which is that is the perfect bronzy shade. And I mixed them together and just sort of started going way above my crease, more towards like the start of my brow bone. Once I was finished with that, I did take Serena, which is, I'm hoping that's how you say that. I took Serena and I started putting that from my inner corner to my outer corner, all through the crease, and I wanted to focus on an exaggerated eyelid. I don't have the biggest eyelid, so I'm constantly trying to fake that large eyelid so that what's happening on that lid can really show through. I did blend this pretty well on my outer V of my eye, and then I just made sure all of that was blended well, and then I went into Vibro, which is a stunning dark teal. Couldn't believe these blues. Blues to me are really hit and miss. These blues perform so well. I took Vibro on the outer corner mostly to really deepen that up, and then I kind of put it all through everything else that I had done with the blue, the crease, and the inner corner. I took Serena again and just used that to blend everything out. Again, I wanted these two to be super blended. And then I took some concealer and I cut that crease. Again, I did exaggerate it. That is not my real crease, but I wanted a lot of action happening on the lid. So I took that about 1/3 of my lid, and then where the blue was is kind of where I stopped. Once that was done, I took, oh god, Celosa. I don't know, it's that orangey coppery color. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous shimmer. I took that and I started putting that right where the blue, the dark blue on my outer third of my eye, I would say. I started putting that there. First I put it dry because I wanted to show you guys how gorgeous it goes on wet. It went on gorgeous dry on top of that wet concealer, which it should, but it is a little thick looking and it's not as shimmery. So when I put it on my brush and then used some Fix Plus sort of spray on there, oh my god, the shimmer, the bronzy, it just comes through. And then I go into Estrella. God, I suck at everything, but I took that just cream colored shimmer and I started working that onto the beginning of my eyelid where that concealer starts. I'm packing that on there and then I'm going to mix it with that orangey coppery shade, just kind of patting it very lightly over top of where that begins. I'm gonna go back in with the blue and make sure everything is blended and everything is good. For my bottom lash line, I'm taking Lola, which I forgot to tell you guys, I used Lola a lot all week as well. Lola is stunning. Lola is good. I used Lola for the other look that I was trying to do with just Lola and Celesta. Please don't make fun of me. Lola's everything, so I put her down on the bottom. And then I am taking Estrella again on a different brush. I'm using that on my brow bone and the inner corner to really bring the whole look together and highlight everybody. And then I popped on some lashes and some mascara and finished off my brows. I used Estrella to highlight my entire face also. And I just love this look so much. I'm so happy with it. If I say so one more time, I'm gonna quit my channel. But I'm really happy with the whole collection. It really works well together. I wish that they had stopped pumping out products so that this collection could just have a moment, because I really think that this is a good collection. I love the lip set. Colourpop was first. I loved them because of their lips, and I think I've kind of forgotten about Colourpop, to be honest. If you guys see any Colourpop, any of the many coming out, please let me know, because there's so much going on. I can't buy everything. I'm only one little income, but I will definitely buy anything that you guys think you like. Alright, so next I'm going to show you guys the lip swatching video. Like I said, I wanted the eye tutorial part to be a little faster than it usually is, because this full lip swatching is going to be in here, and I hope that you guys enjoy. Alright, so I have this gorgeous lip set that I'm so excited to swatch. I've already played around with these colors, so I know which ones I'm loving. I'm just going to go one by one and talk about them really quickly and show you guys swatching. Most of these names I cannot pronounce. I really hate pronouncing things wrong. So I'm just going to show you the colors and you guys can just read the packaging, read whatever I have on the screen. But this is the first one that I'm going to swatch for you. This is very, very dark. This is the darkest one from the bunch. And this is also an ultra satin. Woo! This one is super easy to swatch because it's a satin. I love their satin formula. This is like the most opaque lipstick I've ever put on my freaking lips. It is just so full coverage, everything. And this is not the color of my teeth. It makes my teeth look so white, which makes me want to wear it every day. I think if you have pale skin, this is gonna look super dramatic and wonderful on you. Next, this is the lightest of the bunch. This is probably the most wearable one. And this one is also satin. Very wearable, more of like a pinky, little mauve, maybe a little peach. Looks pretty good with the orange shimmer. Looks really good with the blue. Next we have this very bright blue-based red. This is also an ultra matte. This is really pretty. It's such a good holiday red. The ultra matte, I just did like a thin layer. I only dipped it once and I'm actually pretty impressed. It seems like they have listened to what everybody says because I remember this being so heavy and like thick, and it's not acting like that. This one isn't, at least. Alright, so second to last is this orange sort of nudie peach color. This is also an ultra matte. Very pretty color. Matches really well with my eye look, and I just love these colors with green eyes and dark hair. Alright, so the last liquid lipstick is my favorite and the one that I think matches this lip looks the most. This is an ultra matte. I love this orangey brick. It's so dark and super fall. Matches my eye look really well. Would match all the other shimmers in here really well. Also, if you got the complete set, I think if you put this lighter one in the middle, you could do like a very nice sort of lighter kind of, you know what I'm trying to say. Why can't I think of what I'm trying to say? Overall, I love the lip set. I knew I was going to love the lip set. I was a little disappointed to see all the mattes in there at first, but I really like the way that these mattes feel. This is not the first time that I put them on my lips. I did wear the lighter peachy orange color for a full day, and like I said, I hated the matte. I've heard so much about the matte, and what I haven't heard is I think that they've definitely improved on the formula. It's a lot lighter. Just do a thinner layer, and I don't notice it being too thick. I remember it like literally coming off in like chunks of my lips. I remember it not wearing well. But also, if you have this matte formula and you're still not a fan, just take like a regular lipstick of the same color or maybe even a lighter color and just kind of pat it over, and it will make it last a lot longer and much more comfortable of a wear. Even putting a gloss over it will do so. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.